wouldn't mess with any of them. I got a shout out to the Hail Marys with the Dynamite. Saying, go get them, girls. Get some of those Lolitas shout outs going. They're lined up and ready to do this face up.
Take off. Catch up to the pack quickly. Ooh, Stephen takes a hard dive away from the camera. The Zombie Boom skates faster on the outside. Trying to get a little assistance from Dozer. She gives a nice whip. Buddy Sucky gives it away. Sends him out of bounds. Back to quick, takes a dive. Stephen barely misses her. Adam J gets stuck in the penalty box. Not playing nicely. Weaves and waves her way through. Comes up around Honey Sucking. Looking for an outside route. Not going to find it. Gets a nice whip from Dozer. Jesse Dozer takes it up half. Lolitas again gets a nice push. Comes up front. Passes the back up. Scoring 1 point for the Hail Marys. Right behind Dozer. Going point for the Hail Marys. And Danger Zone into the jam.
I got another shout out to the Hail Marys and Dynamite. Keep up the good work, ladies. This is kind of cool. I got a shout out to Jasper and the crew. I'm assuming that's Dirty D and Eddie and everybody over there keeping points, running the scoreboard. Thanks for a rocking year to the band. Thank you very much. That's awesome. Thank you. Dynamite is on fire with the shout out. He's got another one for the Hail Marys. Another Go Get 'em girls from Dynamite. I don't think he's biased or anything. Let's hear real quick for your Hail Marys, ladies and gentlemen. I want to hear it for the Lolitas de los Muertos also. Let's get back to some action.
Raggy Maggie and hip poetry for shoulders. Stuck to the back of the pack. Nico gets a nice check out of bounds. Skates up quick. Ball leaders are check. Stays on her feet. Raggy Maggie having trouble with H-Face Killer.
He's on the box.
Woo!
for some confirmation from the refs.
Shoulder check from Cola Razorback. Upside one staying in her lane.
He's playing with fire tonight, man.
Jam is going to keep going the full 2 minutes. It ain't over yet, ladies and gentlemen. We got a fight down on the floor. Ever Marys AZRG, here they come. They'll all get in on it, ladies and gentlemen. This is pan-delirium. We got both teams going at it. I don't think they're going to break this one up. I'd like everyone's immediate attention. Lolitas, Hail Marys, please line up at your bench. We're going to do something a little bit different. Since this is our inaugural championship bout for 2011, I want to invite everyone in the building to gather around the track. Everybody in the stands, come on down. Gather around the track on the outside. Come on down off the bleachers. We want to include you in our special moment. This is our inaugural championship. We're going to do it different tonight. Come on down. We're going to line you up around the outside of the track. Let's make a circle to congratulate our champions. Come on down. We want you to be a part of this. Come on down. We want to share this special moment with each and every one of you, Mesa, because without you, this would not have been possible. We have had one heck of a season, and we want to thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, do we have a final score? Is that it?
No.
We're waiting on the final score. Just be patient with us, Mesa. We've got a final score of 147-77. I'm being told that's not it. Can we get the score from the last jam, please?